Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So another short vid today. Postman Pat kindly delivered another box for me today. So eagerly anticipated. This actually went to work and in my break I actually decided to open it. So this is not so much of an unboxing video as an unveiling video, if indeed there is any difference. Okay, so look, I've got a new watch in there. I would like to share it with you. I'll reset the camera and I'll get back to you. Okay, so the first thing you notice is, surprise surprise, this is another Seiko. So I've got you know, one or two Seikos now. I think they're a great brand and I certainly like them. I wasn't really going to get any more watches, to be honest with you, but I saw this and just decided to pull the trigger basically. So this is the way it comes. Look, got a you know, the other little booklet there. Look, with the card, all that sort of good stuff in there. Okay. So I actually bought this online at an absolute bargain price. So I was absolutely delighted with that, and to be honest with you, that's one of the compelling reasons for actually buying the watch, even though I didn't actually need it. The fact is I wanted it. Okay, so it's not a bad little box. I actually quite like it. It certainly appears to be better quality than some of the other Seiko boxes I've got. So this is the watch then. It's yeah, do you know what? I think this is quite a nice little presentation case actually. It's got a sort of a satin leatherette type cushion. And this really, basically what it was, I wanted to, for a while I've been thinking about getting the Alpinist, the Seiko Alpinist, but you know, I kept prevaricating basically, and by the time I'd made a decision to actually get the thing, Seiko had discontinued it, and basically the price has shot up and it's really hard to get hold of now at a reasonable price. And at the end of the day, you know, I don't mind, you know, paying a reasonable amount for a product that I want, but I'm not going to pay through the nose for it. So this appeared to be a suitable alternative, and I decided to purchase it once again because the price is fantastic, and also because the Alpinist has a 38mm diameter case, but this is 42. So I'm a big guy, I'm 6'4", my wrists are 7¾ so the Alpinist would have been too small really on my wrist, so I decided to plump for this one instead. And that is a really, really beautiful watch. I'll just bring you in a bit closer. So here we go. Isn't that beautiful? I really like this. It's a nice rugged watch. It's nice and easy to read. I think the colours coordinate really well. Got a date function there. So the bezel is fixed then, despite the knurling on the edge there, it doesn't move. I really like this, and I can see this becoming a favourite of mine. There's the open case back. That's the model number and calibre of the movement. I really like this. Beautiful. I will be changing the strap. I mean, to be fair, this strap is not too bad actually, given the price of the watch. You know, it's nothing special, spectacular, but you know, it's certainly better than some of the crap Seiko put their watches on. I think the dark brown and the contrasting stitching is actually quite nice, but I just think the strap looks a bit, I don't know, I think it looks a bit cheap if I'm perfectly honest with you. And also, I'm not ever so keen on the shade of brown, so I'm just going to start a search now for a decent strap to put this on. And to be honest with you, I'm not really sure whether to stick it on a bracelet or to put it on a leather strap, better quality one than this, or to put it on a NATO. There's some nice straps, Miltat, on the Strap Code website. I'm not quite sure. I even was thinking of putting this on some sort of mesh bracelet. So we're just going to do a quick shot of this on the wrist. And incidentally, today I'm wearing my Seiko Prospex SRPA77K1. Absolutely adore this watch, it's a beauty. So I'm just going to remove that now and replace it with this. Okay, so there we go. So to reiterate then, my wrists are a very manly 7 3/4 inches in circumference. So that's a decent length strap actually. And I think that looks really good. I think it looks bloody beautiful actually. So I'm well chuffed with that. Very nice. You know, this is a watch with a lot of utility.